your first podium. It was a great race to watch. Obviously, I'm sure every emotion is going through your head right now. Just tell us what this means to you.
Oh, dude, I'm through the roof right now. This is a sick moment for me. I've been working my butt off, and a lot of people doubt me, but I know I can do it.
So this is going to be a fully opinion piece. But I'm going to put it right out straight here. In the comments below, I want to hear your side of this or your thoughts. But Haiden Deegan is fully the real deal. And you got to say, I'm going to say this. Yes, there has been a lot of injuries this year, but there are still people in the 250 East class that should be finishing ahead of him. You know, you got Mosman, who just this year looks horrible. Obviously, again, the pro circuit guys are out. Hunter and Thrasher, all those people. But for being a rookie this year in the 250 East class against people who probably should be beating him and have been there for a few years now and are experienced, to get his first podium, third, granted, his first podium in Daytona is a big deal. And it proves that he deserves to be here. Like, yes, he has all the money and backing from his parents and has always been on the best bikes and whatever you want to say negative about him. Who cares? There are kids that have had all the money in the world and all the bikes and everything that they could possibly need and still haven't proved or still haven't made the progress that he has. So to get on this bike, race some of the best people in the world, and in your rookie season, 3-4 rounds in, whatever it is now, to already have his first podium, I think he's seriously, he's showing that he's got some speed. Yes, obviously there are things he probably has to work on and, you know, whatever you want to say, but I think it's great. He could have been one of those people that just showed up and said, here's my hype train and whatever, who cares, and then sucked. But no, he puts the work in, he shows the speed, you know. Yes, he got some good passes. Yes, he got lucky with people crashing, but like, that's part of the game. If you stay up and you've earned the position by not crashing and having enough speed to be, you know, in the third, fourth position, whatever it is, and somebody falls, hey, you take advantage of it and you get however you can. So in the comments below, I want to hear what you think. Let's put this, when does he get his next podium, or just in general, when do you think he gets his first win? Is it this year? Is it next year once Hunter moves on and everyone else is kind of still there? Or whatever it is, but in the comments below, you tell me. Because I think next year. I don't think he's going to get a win this year. I think he'll be a nice top 5 guy, maybe another podium or 2, depending on how things work out. But I think next year he's going to start actually being like a championship competitor. But in the comments below, you tell me. Anything you want to say about him, or anything you want to say about Daytona 250 or Daytona Supercross in general, 450s also, do it in the comments below. As you go down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.